Hi everyone, welcome back to today's video. So I'm going to be talking about those eyeshadow swatch thingies. These things. Now I picked up a pack of 4 of these from Amazon because I wanted to give them a go after so many people have gone, they're really good. And they just look like this. Now this one is dirty, so I've got a clean one here. This was just a pack of 4 for £3 something. I didn't want to overspend on them for a trial purpose. We'll get there. So, just look like that. It's like a stippling sponge you'd get in a pack for your makeup. Not getting this right today. You get in a pack at these fancy dress stores, we'll call them that, and you use them for applying makeup for Halloween or stuff, you know what I mean, theatrical things. We'll get there. We will get there. It is Monday, so bear with. So anyway, yeah, I picked up these after all that waffle on, and I wanted to give them a go. So I have to say to you, I am not the biggest fan at all. Basically, I've used this morning, and as you can see, there's pigment. And I'm going to swirl this in here to my dislike, to be honest. Swirl it round. Just get all the edges, yeah. And okay, call me a liar, but I think you can still see a bit there. Now that did actually a half decent job at that point. It's just called me a liar. I have had to go in with this on strong colours like that usually 3 or 4 times, and to be honest, this is rough, and I'm a bit concerned about the poor brushes. And I think this will ruin these. I seriously do feel they will ruin them. Whereas I'm sitting on this. My usual facial cloth, I'll do that. It's soft. It's not going to pull the bristles out. And it does the same job. To be honest, there's no pigment there now. Maybe a slight bit, but I've not gone in enough, so let's do that again. So yeah, pigment is basically gone. That was from that thing, and yet the pigment is gone. It's much more gentle on the brushes. So, in my opinion, to be honest with you, and I know a lot of you like these, and that is fine, you go and do you, but I'm not going to use any more of these, and I haven't done for a considerable amount of weeks because I've had these a while, and because I think these will damage your brushes. They're rough, and Nikki Raven did say on her channel quite some time ago that she doesn't use them because of damaged brushes, and she uses face cloths, and that's why I use face cloths, because I thought it's good enough for Nikki, it's good enough for me. So I'm a big fan of her channel, as you can imagine. So yeah, I don't like these. I think they are going to damage your brushes, seriously damage your brushes. You're going to have hair fall out of the brushes, and that is not what we want, especially when you've got a favourite brush, which that has become. I don't want a hairless. Another thing about this is collects all the product at the bottom. I know you can wash these, but this is just, let's see if I can get that to. Yeah, I think you can see it a bit. I'm not sure. It's not actually doing what I'm asking it to do today, is it? So, yeah. But basically, use them if they work for you and you think they're okay, that is absolutely fine. You do you. But I'm not going to use them. I'm just not. Because I don't think they are safe for these things. These are delicate. They're very delicate. Very soft and delicate. And the last thing you want to be doing is losing brush hairs from your favourite brushes. So I wouldn't recommend those. I really wouldn't. And I'm gone. You can see I've still got blue stain on my fingers from doing my eye look today. And this is from the Heatwave palette. And actually, I wasn't sure at first when I was applying it, but I really like it. So that's basically it. I don't recommend them. I really don't. I'm not going to be using any more of those, like I said. So maybe clean your pans with the thing. Probably much better. Okay guys, a short one today, a bit of a waffle on, a bit all over the place. I'm really sorry about that. That is just me. That is my menopause head and everything else, so just bear with. I'm going to see you next time. Please do all the good stuff and I will see you soon. Goodbye everyone.